You've heard the buzz about YNAB, the wildly popular budgeting app. But here's the burning question, is it still free? Let's dive in and uncover the truth about YNAB's pricing and see if it's worth the investment. YNAB, short for You Need a Budget, has gained a cult-like following among personal finance enthusiasts. Its unique method focuses on giving your money a job, assigning every dollar a purpose, and tracking your spending meticulously. But with its growing popularity, many wonder if YNAB remains accessible to everyone. The short answer? No, YNAB is not free. It transitioned to a subscription-based model a while back. This means you'll need to pay a monthly or yearly fee to use the full suite of YNAB features. While the initial price tag might seem daunting, let's break down why YNAB charges for its service. Ongoing development and support. YNAB is constantly evolving with new features, improvements, and bug fixes. The subscription ensures continuous development and a dedicated support team to assist users. Premium features. YNAB offers a robust set of features, including budgeting tools, robust budgeting tools that go beyond basic tracking, allowing you to categorize spending, track income, and forecast future expenses. Reporting and analytics, detailed reports and visualizations to help you understand your spending habits, identify areas for improvement, and track progress towards your financial goals. Community support, access to a vibrant and supportive online community of YNAB users who can offer advice, share tips, and provide encouragement. Mobile app, seamlessly sync your budget across all devices, making it easy to track spending on the go. Now, the million-dollar question, is YNAB worth the cost? For many, the answer is a resounding yes. If you're serious about taking control of your finances, YNAB can be an invaluable tool. The structured approach and powerful features can help you break bad spending habits, achieve your financial goals faster, and build a more secure financial future. However, YNAB might not be for everyone. If you're on a tight budget, the subscription cost might be a significant expense. There are free budgeting apps available, though they may not offer the same level of functionality or support as YNAB. Alternatives to consider. If you're looking for free alternatives, consider these options. Google Sheets or Excel, you can create your own budget spreadsheets using these tools. Personal Capital, this free tool offers comprehensive financial tracking, including investment and retirement planning, alongside basic budgeting features. Mint, another free option that provides budgeting tools, bill tracking, and credit score monitoring. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to subscribe to YNAB is a personal one. Carefully weigh the costs and benefits, explore the free alternatives, and determine if YNAB aligns with your financial goals and budget. You can often find free trials or discounts to test out YNAB before committing to a full subscription. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.